Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download, install, configure MySQL Server 8.0.42 on Oracle Linux 10.0. Open the default browser that comes with Oracle Linux 10.0, that is Firefox. Then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.log. Then click on downloads. Then scroll down, see here, click on MySQL community downloads. Then click on MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.42. If you are unable to find the version here, you can click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select operating system. Select Red Hat Enterprise Linux or Oracle Linux. Then select the OS version. See here we don't have the Oracle Linux 10, but select the latest version. See, once we selected these options, it populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be download and install. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this RPM bundle. Click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 899 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download is completed, we will untar the star file and we will install it. Okay, this will take time. I am going to pause this video until this download completes. Once download completes, then we will install it. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Then go to downloads directory. cd downloads. ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.0.42 tar file. We have to untar it. tar-xf. Give MySQL. Give the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. Extraction completed. ls. See, we have the list of the RPM packages that needs to be executed to install the MySQL Server 8.0.42. Control A, sudo rpm -ivh -no tabs start.rpm. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we are installing MySQL Server 8.0.42. See, we have successfully installed. Control A. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status mysqld. See, MySQL Server is installed, but it is not started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start mysqld. See, MySQL Server is started. Now verify the status again. Sudo systemctl status. See, MySQL service is active and running. Okay. So give to quit. Control A. Now we have to connect to MySQL Server. To connect to MySQL Server, we must have the password of the root account or any user account. Okay. So we don't have any MySQL user account password. So first we can get the temporary root account password by going to more/var/log mysqld.log grep password. We have to run this with sudo. See, this is the temporary password for the root account. Okay, this is not same for you. Now set that password for the root account. Sudo mysql_secure_installation. Now we have to provide the password of the root account. So copy this one. Paste it. Hit enter. Provide the password. Set the password for root account. Confirm the same. Change the password. No. Remove anonymous users. Yes. No. Remove test database. Yes. Reload privileges. Yes. All done. So we have successfully set the password for root account. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL. Control A. MySQL -u root-p. Then provide the password for this user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.0.42. You can also verify the same by running select version. See, you got the same version number. Okay, Now verify the list of the databases. So databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. So create a database, create, verify the same. See, new database bank is created. Control A. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use the keyword use. Then provide the name of the database. See, now database changed. Verify list of tables in this database. So you don't have any tables. Let us create a table. This typo. See, you have successfully created table customer. Verify again. Show tables. See, we have created table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these two rows. Let us verify. Select star from customer. See, we have inserted these two records. Okay. Now we will create user. Before that, verify the list of the users. So users. This won't work. See, but we can get the list of the users by running select from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Create user. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. See here, this is the password for this David user. Now verify. See, we have created user David. Now we exit from the MySQL server and connect to MySQL with this new user. To exit, we have to use the command exit mysql-u david-p. Then provide the password of this user. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, we are unable to connect because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges on this database bank. That's why we have received this error. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server 8.0.42 on Oracle Linux. Sudo systemctl stop mysqld. Verify the status. See, MySQL server is inactive or dead. Due to it, control it. Start. Also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. mysql-u root-p. Provide the password of the root account. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start mysqld. Verify the status. See, MySQL server is started 2 seconds ago. Due to it, if you want to restart, just replace the start with restart. Hit enter. It is done. Okay. ls. These files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed MySQL server 8.0.42 on Oracle Linux 10.0. So remove them. rm star.rpm. ls. We have one more file. Remove this one also. rm. Give the MySQL. Give the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. ls. Okay, we have cleared the space. So in this video, we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 8.0.42 on Oracle Linux 10.0. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.